What's going on, my fellow truckers? I want to do a quick unboxing video and a quick shout out to Big Rig Tees and BigRigTees.com for sending this awesome thank you box, guys. Let's check out what they gave us. Start off on our thank you box. We got an awesome trucker's hat with the BRT Bart logo. Can't beat it. I love it. What do we got next? We got ourselves the BRT t-shirt. The BRT OG Peterbilt. I love that, guys. I love that design. Thank you so much. Coming up next, we got our BRT Mother Trucker shop towel. Awesome. Awesome. We can make good use of that, guys. And we got a drawstring bag. BRT Mother Trucker drawstring bag. Gotta love it too. And you can't forget our BRT sticker. I've got a great place I'm gonna put this. I'll show you guys later in a different video. And last but not least, we got our thank you letter right here. On the fancy paper, guys. On the fancy paper. And it says here, thank you, truck driver, for moving America. Big Rig Tees appreciates all your hard work and sacrifice. BRT team. Awesome, guys. I appreciate it. Shout out, guys. If you haven't seen BRTs live, they go on live every day. And go to BigRigTees.com to win your chance to get a thank you box for yourself. Awesome. Thanks again.